Hello everyone, today I bring you a review of the Goldshell SC5PRO mining machine, weighing approximately 13.1 kilograms with packaging. Model, Goldshell SC5PRO, supports the Blake 2B algorithm, capable of mining SC cloud storage coin. In the energy-saving mode, the hash rate reaches 8.8 T with a power consumption of 2020 W, while in the high-performance mode, the hash rate increases to 11 T with a power consumption of 2820 W. For more detailed specifications, please visit the official WOYU website. This mining machine features an integrated design for the power supply and main unit, making installation extremely convenient. Simply connect the power cable, selecting the appropriate connector based on the power interface, connect to the network, plug in the power, and press the socket switch to start. Once powered on and settings are completed, the mining machine operates in actuality. At 10.75 T hash rate, power consumption is approximately 2817 W, and the noise level is around 75 decibels, showcasing remarkable performance. How to configure the mining machine for normal operation? Access the mining machine's backend settings, enter the mining pool worker name, mining address, save, and wait for about 20 minutes. The hash rate will stabilize, and the mining machine's backend will display various parameters. Checking the mining pool page, you can see the online quantity of mining machines, the hash rate for each unit, total hash rate, earnings, and more. In summary, the Goldshell SC5PRO is a mining machine that allows for the flexible selection of hash rate and power consumption, making it an ideal choice for miners. For more information about mining machines, mining pools, wallets, and checking earnings, please visit the WOYU official website.